Globally, the fast fashion industry is one of the most environmentally damaging industries in the world. Around 100 billion garments are produced every year to meet consumer demands, yet 92 million tons of this clothing, an equivalent of a garbage truck, is being discarded every second. Many of these garments take over 200 years to fully decompose in landfills. The fashion industry also contributes nearly 10% of global carbon emissions and consumes vast quantities of water, about 2,700 liters for just one cotton t-shirt, yet less than 1% of clothing material is recycled into new garments. Most garments are also worn fewer than 10 times before being discarded. If nothing changes, the fashion industry emissions are projected to increase by over 50% by 2030, accelerating climate change and resource depletion. This is the problem Holloway aims to solve.
Therefore, Holloway adopts the ideology fastest pass, Holloway last. Holloway is a next-generation fashion brand replacing fast fashion with premium, circular apparel made from bamboo lyocell, a high-performance fiber produced through a closed-loop system that recovers over 99% of water and solvents. Bamboo grows at a rate of up to 30 times faster than cotton, using 70% less water and requires no pesticides.
Today's fashion industry competes in a crowded red ocean dominated by fast fashion brands like H&M and other ultra-fast players. They compete intensely on low price, massive variety, and wide distribution. This is reflected in our as-is strategy canvas. However, this competition comes at a cost. Sustainability is low, durability is low, and business ethics remain inconsistent. The industry is fighting on the same factors: who can produce faster and cheaper, which forces customers to choose between affordability and responsibility.
We recognize that price matters, but fast fashion is only cheap at the checkout and not over time. If a $10 shirt lasts 10 wears, that is $1 per wear. If a $25 Holloway shirt lasts 80 wears, that becomes just 31 cents per wear. Holloway competes not on lowest price, but on highest lifetime value. To deliver this long-term value, Holloway reconstructs the industry using the EERC framework. We eliminate fabric blends that prevent recyclability, eliminate trend-driven production, and eliminate waste built into the fast fashion model. We raise durability, product quality, ethical working conditions, and conscious consumption. We reduce carbon emissions and heavy chemical processing through bamboo lyocell's closed-loop system. And most importantly, we create longevity through timeless designs, full transparency in production, and sustainability.
These shifts are reflected in our to-be strategy canvas. We raise sustainability, durability, and ethical standards to the highest level. We reduce excessive variety and trend dependency and reposition price around long-term value rather than lowest upfront cost. Most importantly, we create new factors the industry does not traditionally compete on, which is material innovation and circularity. This focused value curve demonstrates that Holloway is not improving fast fashion, but we are redefining it. When mapped across the buyer experience cycle, fast fashion maximizes short-term convenience at purchase but fails in durability, risk reduction, and end-of-life responsibility.
This is our 3 tiers of non-customers. Tier 1, soon-to-be non-customers. These are fast fashion buyers who are increasingly frustrated by poor durability over production and greenwashing. Tier 2, reducing non-customers. These customers avoid sustainable brands due to high prices, limited style options, or lack of trust. Tier 3, an export market. This includes individuals disengaged from fashion or industries relying on textiles that have yet to adopt a sustainable alternative. Holloway's business model is commercially viable with strong unit economics. At a $9.50 unit cost and a $25 retail price, we achieve a 62% gross margin, allowing us to sustain ethical wages, invest in innovation, and scale efficiently. This slide presents Holloway's initial prototype showcasing how bamboo lyocell is applied within a minimalist, timeless garment design. By leveraging commercially available sustainable fiber system, Holloway moves material innovation from strategy into a tangible apparel application. Our go-to-market follows a focused P&A pilot nurture advanced approach, direct-to-consumer launch, community building, and a selective expansion. We are not planning on improving fast fashion. We are redefining it. Fast is past, Holloway lasts.